on how to make a collage in Photoshop. So click on that new file icon and select your ratio, like size. I am using that size in pixels, 2000 by 2000, and the resolution is 300, and color mode is RGB, and just click on create button. Now I just create a new layer for my solid color, so I can use this icon, as well as you can use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+Shift+Alt+N. It is also created a new layer. So now I use the marquee tool, marquee rectangle tool, to select the whole area to fill a solid color in the background. So just select the foreground color and select any color like this and fill with the Alt and backspace. So I want to deselect that particular selection, so right click here and deselect, and you can also use Ctrl D is for deselection. And now create a new layer with the shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+Alt+N and make a placeholder for our image with the use of that rectangle marquee tool. Again, with the use of dragging my mouse, as well as I am using the shift key to create a square. Now fill the color according to your requirement. I am using the white color for this, and click here. With the use of Alt and backspace, I am filling the color in that selection, and Ctrl D is for deselection. Now select the area for my placeholder, like I want to put my image in this particular area, so I am selecting this one and select this layer, and with the use of backspace just erase that particular area. Now this is my photo placeholder or photo frame, so I rename it. Now I want to create a pin to hold that frame. Create a new layer with the use of icon, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+Alt+N. Now I use elliptical tool. How to make a circle? If you want to circle, then while dragging that you have to press the shift key. It will become your elliptical into a circle. And now select the color, whatever color you want. I am using that red color, and just fill with the Alt and backspace. And now Ctrl D is for deselection. Create a new layer, and now I want to select this circle again with the use of, first of all you have to come to this thumbnail. When that hand is appear, just press the Control, and you see there is a one square under that hand that depict. You have to select. Now you have to click here. It will automatically select the subject, whatever is on that layer, that is selected. Now select that top layer and select the color, like I am using the lighter color than that red color, so I just select this one and press OK, and now Alt and backspace to fill the color. Ctrl D is for deselection. Now I want to resize this. How to resize? You can use two things, like go to edit, and there is a transform option or free transform. Okay, I press Alt and Shift to resize it from the center, and now just press enter. Now again create a new layer and make a light here. So just create a small circle with the use of shift key, and select the white color and fill with the Alt hand. First of all rename it pin BG, and this is pin top, so pin top, and now that is pin light. The next thing is I have to select 3 layers. How? First of all I just click on that pin BG, and now press shift and click on pin light. Every layer is selected. Now right click here and link the layers. So now you can see, if I press on that white circle and this circle, this circle that is connected with each other, you can move it or you can transform it with the use of Ctrl T and like this. I just want to move this pin here, and now I have to fill a photo here. So what can I do? Go to File, Open, and select any image. I am selecting that image. Now click here with the use of that move tool. Just move your image and like this. Ctrl T is for transformation. So balance your image with like this, whatever size you want. Now you have to place your image under that photo frame. What can you do? So you can do two things, like just click and drag it here. If I want to move this image one by one, then I just press Ctrl and open bracket. It will come one by one. Okay, and if you want to move this image to top or up, then you use Ctrl and close bracket. Now I select the rectangle tool to select this area, and now so I just select the shift key and again select that particular area and press the backspace, Ctrl D. Again I just rename it image and select all the layers and right click here, link the layers. Use a Ctrl G for grouping your layers. Now you have to rename it photo 1. Again I want to copy that particular group. Then you can use two things. First one is right click here and duplicate the group, and the second one you can use Ctrl J is for duplication. Now you have to move this image. Now click on that image and again Ctrl O is used to open the image. Now I select this one and open and drag it here. Now resize it according to your requirement. So I just resize like this and erase or delete this image. You can use two things to delete this. First one, you can use this icon, or second one, you can use the delete button only. And now I want to link this with my whole other layers. For example, if I am not linking that, now my frame and pins are moving but not my image. So what can I do? Just click on that photo frame 1 and now click on that image, click here and link the layers. So you can resize it now. Now you can duplicate the groups as well with the use of 2 or 3 options. First one is right click here and duplicate. Second one is Ctrl J, and the third option is this is your icon, huh? that is your black icon. But when you press Alt, now when you see that 2 icons like black or white, this is the option you can duplicate your thing. After creating your collage, you can go to File and Save As or Save in JPG format. Thank you.